Okay, so we're going to make our building here, and it's going to be the first part of our alleyway. Remember to have the polygons face selected here, and we're going to be using polygons, not surfaces. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a cube. I'm going to click there, and I'm going to drag along this grid just to get my base, and then I'm going to click and drag again to get my height. Remember, 5 will get you into solid mode, so you can see all the shaded polygons. And the first thing I want to do is create a top lip for this building. So I'm going to right click and hold it down over my object and just go into face mode. I'm going to click on that top face, make sure that no other face is selected, which there is, so just make sure again. Click on extrude, press W, just move it up, and then I'm going to hold down, click and hold down shift to grab these new polygons that have appeared just around my building. Again, extrude, and this time I'm going to press R, and I'm going to just extrude a lip out of this building. So after that, I'm going to use my insert edge loop tool, which you can find in Edit Mesh, insert edge loop tool. There's many options that you can have for this. You can do multiple edges at a time, or you can have them equal distance, but for this I'm just going to have them relative distance so I can place them wherever I want. So I'm going to start here, get one for this side, one for this side, and then I'm going to click, I think, around 8 across the building. Remember, if you do make a mistake, you can always press Z. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. I'm going to have one here for the top, for the bottom. So now that's going to be window, 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 and again in here. You can take a bit more time, a bit more care with yours to get the window size correct. And then I'm going to have a final one right at the bottom just for my door, which I'm going to be putting in. Okay, remember you press Q as well if you're in the insert edge loop tool. It's still going to be active, so press Q to get rid of that. Go into face mode again. So all these here are going to be my windows, and this here one's going to be my door. But as you can see, it's a bit too big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to edge mode. I'm going to select these edges, press W, and I'm going to move them over. Now you can see that's a better idea for a door, better size. So again, I'm going to select all those, press extrude, press W, I'm going to grab this arrow and move it in. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to grab this last lip here, press extrude or G since it's my last used tool, press W, move it out. So now I have a building with a few windows in it. And you can do more, you could put windows on the side or the back if you wanted to. It's really up to yourself. So we're also going to just add in a floor and a wall to this as well. Again, this is just going to start off as a cube. So I'm going to click on the cube. I'm going to do this by eye, but you could do this more carefully than I am. I'm going to pull this out to around there. And then I'm going to pull it down. Okay, so this is going to be our basic floor where you can walk on in a game or anything like that. I'm going to go into Edit Mesh, and then I'm going to go Insert Edge Loop Tool. I'm going to click there. I'm going to press Q again to get rid of that. I'm grabbing this top face, make sure that's all selected. Extrude, W, move that up. There we go, we've got a wall.